Embark on a transformative learning journey with our cutting-edge 2-in-1 Power BI and Python courses designed to empower users with a dynamic skill set at the intersection of data visualization and programming prowess. In the Power BI module, discover the art of turning raw data into compelling insights. Unleash the full potential of Power BI's intuitive interface to create visually stunning and interactive reports and dashboards. From data wrangling to seamless report sharing, you'll master every facet of Power BI, ensuring you can harness its capabilities to make informed, data-driven decisions in any professional setting. Complementing your Power BI mastery, the Python course takes you on a deep dive into the world of programming for data science. Learn how to leverage Python's robust libraries and frameworks to analyze, manipulate, and visualize data with unparalleled flexibility. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced coder, our Python course is crafted to cater to all levels, ensuring you acquire the skills needed to automate tasks, perform statistical analysis, and create impactful data-driven applications. What sets our 2-in-1 course apart is the seamless integration of Power BI and Python. Discover the synergy between these two powerful tools as you learn to enhance your data visualizations with Python scripting, opening up a realm of possibilities for customization and advanced analytics. By the end of this dual course, you'll be equipped with a unique skill set that combines the storytelling prowess of Power BI with the analytical depth of Python, positioning you as a proficient and versatile professional in the rapidly evolving field of data science. Elevate your career and make data work for you with our 2-in-1 Power BI and Python courses.